Now that we've got the frame completely installed, we've cleaned out the box, we've tightened the bolts, we're going to want to reinstall the slides that we removed in the earlier process. Keep in mind, this notch up towards the front should be faced on the top and out towards the wall. What we're going to do is we're going to start the wheel inside the channel. We're going to slide it in until it gets to that notch, and then it's going to pop right in. It's about an inch out from the face when that happens. We'll repeat that process for all the other slides. We've got all the slides in place. You're going to want to make sure that the lock on all of these is in the unlocked position, which is back. If you have in the locked position, which is forward towards the door opening, the drawer slides won't be able to engage all the way and you'll have a difficult time. So make sure that these are all pushed to the back. And when we go to install these slides, you're going to want to start these slides out so it's past this roller, because if it's all the way back or the roller's here, you cannot start the slide. So you'll need to have it approximately right there. It could be out farther if you need to, but let's just say it's coming out a couple inches. So since these shelf inserts are heavy, you're going to probably want to take these out before you install the shelf. It'll just make it a little easier for you. Back wheel in the slot. You might need, oh, there we go. You might need to hold them while you place it in there. Okay, now I'm engaged. I'm all the way back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to lock these in now, okay? I can now reinstall the shelf insert. That one's complete. Repeat the same process for the other two or however many shelf inserts you have.